Hello everyone. After we have seen in the last lecture how to generate a backdoor and how to move it to the target machine, let me show you today some commands to use after gaining the access to the target machine. Let me just show you another way of generating a backdoor. So if we go to Vil, okay, as we have seen before, this time I'm gonna choose different protocol. Let's use 7 reverse TCP. Then just we need here to put the L host and L port. So the L host is my Kali machine IP, and we can make sure from here this is the one, and we can choose any port. Let's say 8585, and that's it. Generate. Let's give it any name, and this file will be very small comparing to the method we used in the first time. So if we go to the file explorer, this is the one, and as we said, and just we need to move it to the web server directory to be able to open it from the target machine. Just in our lab, in the real life scenarios, you can send this file by email, by social media, by any method. So under HTML, under cool, just paste it here. If you go to the Windows 10 machine now, let me keep both machines opened in front of me. If I write the IP of Kali machine and we'll put slash the folder. Okay, this is the one. And here, before running the file, we'll go to the MSF console and set payload. Here we have chosen 7. So 7, it's reverse TCP. Okay, so we'll put Windows Meterpreter, reverse underscore TCP, then options to modify the options, and we have the L host correct, just we need to set the L port, then exploit, and here let's run the file. And here we go. Now if we want to know the system information, just we can write sysinfo. If we check it here, properties, MS Edge Windows 10, MS Edge Windows 10, it's 64-bit, yes, it's 64-bit here, it's workgroup, and logon users, there is 2, and the Meterpreter version running on this machine, it's x86. Now let's see another cool comments here. If you write help, as we used to do, you can find many options for the comments. So let's start with background. The background, what it will do, it will just keep the session in the background, and it will send me back to the multi-handler to do some comments. So here the session is not closed, just it's in the background, And if I want to see how many sessions I have, just I can write sessions -L. So here it's telling me it's only one session. And if I want to go back to the session, just I can write sessions -I for interaction and number 1, the ID, enter. Again, I'm inside the session. If I go to help again, you can write the ipconfig or ifconfig just to know the configuration of the target machine. You can see here it has 2 network interfaces, one the loop pack and one with this IB and this subnet mask, and which is very useful information to use to target this machine and to target other machines through this machine, which called pivoting. By the way, if you tried ipconfig or ifconfig, both are the same. Okay, so let's take another command. If you write quit, just you quit the session. Let me take another file system commands. If you write cat, if you want to open any folder, similar to Kali Linux commands, if you write pwd print working directory, you are under downloads. If you write ls, it will just show you what's inside this. So if you want to, if there is any text file here, let's just create a text file. And let's write anything inside. Okay, again ls, and this is the file. So if you want to open it, just write cat and write the name, enter. You can see what's inside it. Hello to my course. And if you write shell, let's take another command. So here I don't want to spend much time, but any command you can see here, you can see its description. The cool thing here, you can start capturing the keystrokes. So if I write keyscan start, enter. So previously we have faced an issue in capturing the HTTPS and the HTTPS protocols. So after enabling the keystroke sniffer, even if you go to Facebook or any website, all the keystrokes you write, it will be captured. This is very cool feature. So let's say we'll go to Facebook. And we'll write, let's write my email. And the password, I'm just putting any password. Enter. So what will happen here, if I just write keyscan dump, enter, it will tell you I have just go to Facebook. Then I have opened Google to search for Facebook in English. Then I wrote my username at Hotmail and the password. So it's very nice feature. Another nice feature here is the camera. So if you want to capture the camera stream to play a video stream from the specified webcam, but here there is no webcam. But if you try it, you will just open the camera of your target machine. You can record the mic, you can have a snapshot, a screenshot from his screen to see what he's doing. So let's say I have just tried screenshot here. Enter. It will tell me under root we have this picture. So if we go to root, see, this is the picture. So this is how to do some commands to gain the access after running the backdoor in the target machine.